All right, we are heading into a spooky, spooky day that we celebrate by dressing up. And it reminds me of spooky, scary, ooey, creepy, crawly things. What's wrong? Something's wrong? Something's on my shoulder? Ah! Oh, it's a spider! It's not real, but oh my goodness. Yes, Halloween reminds me of spider webs and creepy crawlers, and I have one here with one of my buckets that I like to fill with candy. So today we are going to make some spider webs. I'm going to give you a couple of different options how to do this, because you can do this activity easily outdoors and indoors. So I have a little prop here that I'm going to pretend that we're outside and we have a couple of trees, and all you need is yarn, and this is so fun. So all you're doing is you're finding a couple of trees and you get to make a big spider web. So just get your yarn. Maybe you're in a group, maybe you have a friend, maybe you're by yourself, and you have a starting point. And then you just take your yarn and you're going across, up. Ooh. So obviously this would be much wider outside. I'm just giving you an idea how you can make your spider web and how tricky you want to make it. And then afterwards, you can try and go through it. So this is a really fun activity to do outside with your friends, but make sure you take it all down when you're finished. So this is one way you can make a spider web. I'm using yarn, and if you don't have yarn, you could use thin ribbon or string, but please make sure you clean it up when you're finished. You don't want to leave that for the next person. But this is fun, trying to get through that. Now the next activity, you could also do this outside, but you could also do this in a doorway. And I have painter's tape here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the sticky side out. So the sticky side is facing me. So I'm going to go down here. Because spider webs try and catch their prey. And one way they try and do that is with their web. And it's sticky. So the bugs get in there and they can't get out. So this is what we're making. And we're going to play a little game with it. Try and trap some bugs. So this is what you can do in your door jam. You can do it with a couple trees if you want. It's really up to you. Okay, so you're making your spider web there. And now you can use some recycled paper. Rip this in half. And these are going to be what we're going to try and catch, what the spider's going to trap. So what you can try and do now is you can try and make it stick. Oh, we have to do a couple tries. Ah! I might need more tape. No. Oh yeah, it will stick. So I just need some more paper. And so I caught one. Ta-da! Oh. Maybe you need smaller pieces of paper. You can play with it. But that's how you can catch some of your prey. Now I have one more easy peasy way to make a spider web. I have a paper plate here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half and cut it out. All you need then is a hole punch, and you can go around the outside of the paper plate. This is fun too, actually. Making the holes. You could even make some spiders, and these could be the googly eyes. Always thinking of recycling, Mrs. Mann. How can we reuse it? So I'm making some holes around there, and now, see my holes there? And now you can use your string and you can make a spider web with your paper plate. So you need a starting point. I'm just going to tie this so it doesn't fall out. And then have at her. I'm going to go across. And it doesn't matter. You can see the spider web is starting to happen. So once you've made your spider web, you can even paint this part black if you want. I only had blue string, but you can use black string, of course. Once you have your spider web, maybe you have a spider. I have a spider that can sit in the web, or you could make one. You could use some pipe cleaners. Whatever, be inventive. Make a spider for your spider web, all 3 spider webs. So have fun, lots of options to make spider webs. We'll have some happy spiders. Have fun. Tomorrow we're doing another craft with spiders. Stay tuned.